Hi, I'm Jamie Mock with Ansley Real Estate, and today I'm coming to you from my newest listings at Park 108 in Decatur, Georgia. This is a rare find in the vibrant and walkable Oakhurst neighborhood. Park 108 offers new loft-style condos in Decatur, Georgia, with modern and totally unique floor plans that embrace the historic charm of the original Bell South building. One of my favorite things about Park 108 is that every home here is different. They offer modern finishes, 1-bedroom units to 2-bedroom units. Everything is unique. So why don't you come on out and take a tour with me, and let's find the perfect home for you.